Put a bullet in a kid's head, think they got a sickness if they're not dressed up straight. But what happens in the closet doesn't matter if you profit from the flag of the USA. You're too fucking old, you do as you're told. You base your life off an ancient scroll. Out there burning witches, filling up the ditches. Tell me, can I still be saved? There's no love like Christian hate. Let's all count